Hey friends, welcome to the Mr. English Podcast. I'm Nora.
And I'm Jack. Today, the big promise, the only way to become fluent in English.
The secret is not magic. The secret is a daily loop.
Listen, repeat, speak, get feedback, and use it in real life. That's it.
We will do this loop together today.
Short lines, real speaking, you will feel progress in one episode.
First, our fluency rule. Speak every day.
Even for 5 minutes.
Out loud, not in your head.
With a voice, your voice.
Ready? Warm up. Repeat after us. Slow, then normal.
Hello there.
Hello there.
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Great job.
Now the fluency loop. Step 1, listen. Step 2, repeat. Step 3, speak your own line. Step 4, record and check. Step 5, use the line in real life.
We will run this loop with 5 useful topics.
Topic 1, greeting and small talk.
Listen, hi there, how's your day going?
Repeat, hi there, how's your day going?
Speak your own. Try, good morning, how are you today?
Record and check. Is it clear? Is the rhythm smooth?
Use it. Say it to a coworker, a cashier, or a friend.
Topic 2, at a cafe.
I'd like a small latte, please.
Repeat, I'd like a small latte, please.
Speak your own. Can I get a large coffee with milk?
Record and check. Do you stress the keywords? Small, latte, please?
Use it. Order today. Yes, today.
Topic 3, ask for help.
Excuse me, could you help me with this?
Repeat, excuse me, could you help me with this?
Speak your own. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Record and check. Was it polite?
Use it in a store, in class, or on the phone.
Topic 4, phone basics.
May I have your name and number?
Repeat, may I have your name and number?
Speak your own. My name is Nora Lee. My number is 555-123-4678.
Record and check. Say numbers slow and clear.
Use it. Leave a short message for a friend.
Topic 5, exit lines.
Listen, it was nice talking to you. I should get going.
Repeat, it was nice talking to you. I should get going.
Speak your own. Let's talk again soon. Take care.
Record and check. Sound friendly, not fast.
Use it. End a talk with a smile.
Nice. That is one loop across 5 topics.
Now we add shadowing. Shadowing means listen and speak at the same time, like an echo.
We start slow, then normal.
Ready? Shadow this.
Hi there. How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. The weather is nice today.
Yes, much nicer than yesterday.
Now, normal speed.
Hi there. How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. The weather is nice today.
Yes, much nicer than yesterday.
Great job.
Let's shadow a cafe scene. Slow first.
Hi, I'd like a small latte, please.
Sure. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Your total is $4.
Now normal.
Hi, I'd like a small latte, please.
Sure. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Your total is $4.
Nice.
Fluency tip. Use chunks, not single words. Chunks are small phrases you say together.
Like, I'd like, could you? How about, I should get going.
We will build a small chunk bank now. Repeat after us.
I'd like.
I'd like a coffee.
Could you?
Could you repeat that, please?
How about?
How about tomorrow at 3?
I need to.
I need to make an appointment.
I'm looking for.
I'm looking for the bus stop.
It was nice.
It was nice talking to you.
Daily routine time, just 20 minutes.
5 minutes, warm-up sounds, and easy lines.
10 minutes, shadow one short scene, then repeat it without text.
3 minutes, speak about your day.
2 minutes, record and review.
That's 20 minutes. Done. Every day.
Warm-up sounds, American rhythm. Repeat after us.
This, that, these, those.
Red, really, right, correct.
V versus W. Very warm, very windy.
D in the middle. Water to waiter. Better to better.
Stress. A good day. The best part.
Great. Now we practice speaking about your day.
Template, yesterday I, today I, tomorrow I.
Repeat after me. Yesterday, I studied English for 20 minutes.
Today, I will go to the store after work.
Tomorrow, I will call my friend and practice English.
Your turn. Say your own 3 lines.
Now we do 3 role plays to use your English.
Role play 1, new friend.
Hi, I'm Nora. Nice to meet you.
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you too.
How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. What about you?
I'm good. Do you live nearby?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Great. I should get going. See you around.
See ya. Take care. Now you try. Speak both parts. Record it.
Role play 2, phone call.
Hello, may I speak to Emma, please?
This is Emma.
Hi, Emma. This is Nora. I'm calling about our meeting.
Sure. What time works for you?
How about tomorrow at 10?
That works.
Great. See you then.
See you. Bye.
Your turn. Try the whole call.
Role play 3, store help.
Excuse me, where can I find rice?
Aisle 7, on the left.
Thank you. And where's the tea?
End of aisle 3.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Your turn. Ask and answer.
Fluency is not perfect grammar.
Fluency is speed, clarity, and confidence.
You can fix grammar later.
Today, speak and keep the talk moving.
Use these repair lines. Repeat after us. I'm sorry, one moment, please.
Let me say that again.
I don't know the word. Can I explain?
It is the thing you use to...
Could you help me with a word?
Perfect.
Self-record checklist. Say a 30-second story, then ask,
Can I understand myself?
are the key words clear?
Do I stop or say too much?
Can I make it shorter?
Now record again. Make it cleaner.
Small wins every day.
Try this 30-second story. Repeat after me, then make your own.
My name is Nora. I practice English every morning for 20 minutes. I listen, repeat, and speak out loud. I record my voice. I fix small things. I use English at the cafe and at work. It's not perfect, but I improve every day.
Your turn. Say your story. Use your name and your day. Next, speed drills. Slow first, then normal.
I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
How about tomorrow at 3?
How about tomorrow at 3?
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you. Quick quiz. Choose the best step.
To build fluency, do you read silently or speak out loud? Speak out loud.
After you repeat a line, what next? Forget it or use it in real life. Use it in real life.
For fast progress, 1 hour once a week or 20 minutes every day. 20 minutes every day.
After you speak, do you record and check or skip it? Record and check.
Motivation lines. Repeat after us.
Small steps every day.
I practice out loud.
I use English today.
I improve when I speak.
I am building fluency.
Nice.
Now, your 20-minute daily plan. Repeat it with us.
5 minutes, warm-up sounds, and easy lines.
10 minutes, shadow a short scene, then repeat without text.
3 minutes, speak about your day.
2 minutes, record, listen, fix one thing.
That is the loop.
Do it for 30 days.
You will feel the change.
You will hear the change.
Common mistakes and fixes. Repeat the fix.
Studying only grammar, no speaking.
Speak out loud every day.
Long, silent listening.
Listen, then repeat and speak.
Waiting for perfect.
Use simple lines now.
Big goals only.
Make small daily goals.
No feedback.
Record and fix one thing.
Skipping real life.
Use one line today at a shop or with a friend.
Nice.
Build a weekly plan.
Monday, cafe and small talk.
Tuesday, phone lines.
Wednesday, store and directions.
Thursday, emails or messages.
Friday, review and record a 60-second story.
Saturday, real-life practice.
Sunday, rest or watch a movie scene and shadow.
Simple, clear, powerful.
Let's shadow one movie-style scene. Simple English. Slow first.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, go ahead.
Thanks. By the way, nice jacket.
Oh, thank you.
Normal speed.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, go ahead.
Thanks. By the way, nice jacket.
Oh, thank you.
Good rhythm.
Now your micro challenge.
Build a 5-line mini conversation from your day.
Greeting, small talk, one question, your answer, exit line.
Say it now. Record it.
After this episode, use it one time in real life.
That is the only way. Speak, get feedback, use it, repeat.
Ready for a last big drill? Repeat after us.
I speak every day.
I listen, repeat, speak, and use it.
I record, fix one thing, and try again.
I am becoming fluent in English.
Yes, you are.
Final practice, full flow. Copy me.
Let's go.
Hi there. How's your day going? I'd like a small latte, please. Could you repeat that, please? Thank you. May I have your name and number? My name is Nora. It was nice talking to you. I should get going. Take care.
Now you say it out loud.
Record it and fix one small thing.
You did it.
Final tips.
Speak out loud every day.
Build a small chunk bank and use it.
Shadow short scenes at slow, then normal speed.
Record and fix one thing each day.
Use one line in real life today.
Practice challenge. Comment your 20-minute plan for tomorrow. We'll reply with a tip.
Subscribe for more easy, real English.
This was the Mr. English podcast with Nora and Jack.
The only way to fluency is action. Small steps every day.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye for now.